Working from home can be challenging, but with the right gadgets and equipment, you can make it more comfortable and productive. Welcome back to Sefsed, where we curated some of the best gadgets and gears on the internet. In this video, we have 10 essential working from home gadgets you probably want to have. So, let's get started. First up, we have Ilik Robot. The Ilik Robot is a new kind of robot with emotional intelligence. It is a companion bot that can sit on your desk and respond to your touches in an interesting way. It is passionate, fun-loving, and sometimes even a little bit naughty. It can be entertaining having this robot on the office desk. The next gadget is Logitech Ergo K 860. This keyboard is designed to improve your typing posture and reduce muscle strain on your wrists and forearm. It also has a curved, split keyframe for a more natural and comfortable typing position. The keyboard works wirelessly and is compatible with both Windows and Mac. Sitting for long hours can be harmful to your health, but with the Uravo Treadmill, you can stay active while you work. This 3-in-1 foldable treadmill has a removable desk, so you can work, walk, or run at your own pace. It's also easy to fold and store, and it comes with a time, speed, distance, and calorie monitor to track your progress. Still in the theme of ergonomic working space, the Moft Z Desk is a great accessory for laptop users. This portable desk is adjustable to 4 different angles, allowing you to work in either a sitting or standing position. It's made of premium materials and has a magazine-sized design, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The TickTime Cube Timer uses vibration and LED lights to remind you to take breaks, stay on task, and manage your time more effectively. It has adjustable countdown settings and can be used for work, study, exercise, and more. If you really want to get the job done in time, this is the best gadget to help. Next up, we have Elgato Stream Deck. This is a studio controller with 15 customizable macro keys that trigger actions in apps and software. Although it's primarily used for streaming, this device can be integrated into popular office apps to help perform various tasks with a push of a button. If you want the best video meeting experience, the Insta360 Link is a fantastic webcam with versatile and intelligent features. It has a wide sensor to capture more light, gesture control, HDR mode, and AI-powered gimbals that can smoothly track your position as you move. The Truvy Stone diffuser is an ultrasonic essential oil diffuser for aromatherapy. It has a 90 ml capacity and fills your space with a lovely fragrance that can lift the mood and relieve stress from a stressful day. It operates quietly with no water-dripping sounds, creating a restful and soothing environment for learning and working. Moving on, the Unplug Tag helps you stay focused and reduce your screen time. This NFC tag can lock unproductive apps like social media and video games from your phone. That way, these apps won't distract and harm your productivity, allowing you to stay focused and finish the task as efficiently as possible. And lastly, the Rolling Square Edge Full Kit is a must-have for anyone who spends a lot of time on video calls. It includes a cell phone holder for dual screen use, a 15-watt magnetic wireless charger, and a 280-lumen light module. The light is perfect for video conferencing and boasts a built-in battery that allows you to use it without a cable. And there you have it, 10 essential working-from-home gadgets you might want to have. As always, the product links are in the video description. If you like this video, consider subscribing for more cool gadget curations like this, and thank you for watching.